I'm doing a apartment tour on my phone. So, hello. This is a long time since I did a phone vlog, but I want to show you my $400 Japanese apartments. Of course, you're gonna start with the front door. Sorry about the noise. I have the window open because it is summertime. It's very hot. And so this is the entrance. So when I bring my washing machine, it's gonna go right here. This is the spot for the fridge. And here's my kitchenette. Very small. That's whiskey for my neighbor as a, hey, I'm moving in gift. Here's the bathroom. Pretty simple stuff. I have like a little place to sit down to like wash myself. Pretty nifty. Inside here, this door is my toilet. I get a bidet. For me personally, just having a small kitchen is perfectly fine because, you know, I'm just one man. I don't eat a lot at home. I'm usually the guy that goes outside to eat, so it is what it is. And now it's time to see what's beyond this door. Are you ready? Da 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 da. So welcome to the room. Yay. So it is very empty because I really have nothing in here yet. I brought my desk by walking it, 10 kilometers. That was a nightmare, but I got a little loft area, so I'm gonna use that as storage. And over here is my closet. So if you open here, voila! Ta-da! It's just a nifty closet. It's really hot, so I already have the AC running. The cool thing is too, I also have like a little monitor thing. So I'm gonna push the button. It monitors what you see outside, which of course is gonna be blurred out, so you can't really like see it, but yeah, it's pretty nice. And so, for this apartment, it's 38,000 yen, so around like 350 bucks, 350 USD, which is really, really cheap, especially compared to America. But in terms of pricing in Japan, this is a little bit in the mid-range, because, well, unless you're in Tokyo. Tokyo's insane. They're really, really expensive. But one of the good things about being in Sendai is my apartment prices are much less. And yeah, I'm really excited about bringing in all my furniture. So I have a moving company. I'm gonna meet them at 2 p.m. I can't film them, so sorry about that. But we're gonna see this place with all the furniture now. Ba-da-ba-ba. Welcome to a new day. I sound tired because this was a nightmare. So, welcome to the area now. We have the fridge, which I can't plug it in because the cable does not reach. So, I have a slight issue. So, it's barely there. So, that's gonna be something I'm gonna have to worry about later. Washing machine's all set up. I took a shower in my new place. I'm figuring it out right now. And then, the bathroom is still just the bathroom. I have toilet paper now. And then voila, I just woke up, so I haven't folded that up yet, so that, that's where I sleep. But my desk is all set up. I currently don't have a trash can, so I'm using a box. So I'm gonna have to go buy a trash can real quick. And so I'm gonna be using the loft as storage, so I'm gonna put things up there. And currently this desk is also storage at the moment. All my clothes are in there, and these are all the clothes I'm drying and things I'm gonna wear. And the cool thing is, I got one of these kinds of lights that take a while to turn on. I don't know why, but it's funny. And then, I got like 3 different settings. A night light, which is actually surprisingly bright at night. I was surprised by that. So, new day. I have now a trash can. I didn't have because Japan you have to separate your trash. So now I have a plastic burnables and a bottle separation box. So that's great. Do you guys want to see my old apartment? It's gonna be completely empty and disgusting, but yeah, let's go. Let's go look at the old apartment. And you're gonna find out why I wanted to move into this one. Okay? Let's go! And welcome to my old place. I'm sweaty. Yeah, it's another jump cut because it was raining, so now I'm here. So this is the old apartment. I'm still cleaning. It's a lot of work. But so coming from the entrance, here's the entrance, right? I have a lot of mail in there that I have to take care of. But here at the bathroom, I still have so much cleaning I have to do. And then you also have the kitchen, voila. Lots of trash, there's trash everywhere. You got the bathroom, I gotta take care of all that. The washing machine was here, so I just moved that over. And the fridge was here, lots of trash there. And then here's the room, woo! It's a disaster of a room. And that's the loft, so I was sleeping up in there. Here's the walkway. And yeah, that's the whole room. So it's really small, but the big problem with this is that it was in a very, very inconvenient area. As you can see, it's a very residential area. And so just me wanting to like go shopping is 10 minutes roughly. If I want to go and use the train to get to Sendai Station, that's another 20 minutes of walking. So it's like very, very inconvenient of a location. So I'm actually really happy I moved. So yeah, this is the old, I want this. It's a parakeet hugging toast. Ta-da! Wait, my face. Ta-da! Capture it, please. Yeah. So this is probably gonna be my new keychain for my key. So that's going home with me. There's so much I have to do here. There's so much cleaning I have to do. There's boxes. There are boxes I have to take care of. Dust, tiny bits of paper. It's a lot of work. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick, short little video. I know it was really short, but it's a tiny apartment. You know, what else can you do? But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys in the next one. All right, thank you. Bye. Wow.